Hello, this is a video on how to use the thermostat at 127 Forest Lane, number 32. The thermostat says alarm.com, but that's the manufacturer. If you want to use a thermostat, push the thermostat here. This is the temperature, the ambient temperature of the room. This is the temperature that the thermostat is set to. It's reading 66, it's set to 68. I've just lowered it to 67 to 66. If you want to change modes from heating to cooling, you click this button here, the top one that says mode. Now the bottom one toggles between. I want to move down from heat to cooling. I've just chosen cooling. Now I want to go back to heat again because we're in the winter time now. I've clicked on the top button to mode. I've moved it up to heat, and now I'm back to heat. That's how to use the thermostat. Thank you.